That new wave. The microwave.
I don't think microwaves from the
Song's
Midwest.
called But Not Often.
Yeah, they're from like Georgia.
They're from Georgia.
Whatever.
Mid-coast.
South, whatever. It's all Midwest emo.
We love you,
Even if it's
microwave.
not in the Midwest, it's Midwest emo. Let's be real here. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm totally offending my buddy Nick. He's
Okay then.
Still we're spending all our paychecks at the liquor store. Plastic between your teeth before you reach the door. You show up to my room with an awful booze. Got your perfect. You can say what you like. Say I'm a waste of my life. Say I'm worthless. I definitely deserve it. Pheromones have got us back together for another hit. Horoscope, astrology was all shit. I've been watching the cues. I know all the right moves. Get you ornery. Meet me in the back room. I know do what I do. Get you ornery. Oh, I've been waiting all my time. You don't even know me. We're always getting fucked up. Why do you really need to know me? The roaches in my bathtub sigh and roll their eyes with your groaning. I've been wasting all my time. I've been wasting all my time. Wasting all my time. I've been wasting all my time. I've been wasting all my time. I've been wasting all my Thank you guys. That was But Not Often by Microwave. It was off of a split, kind of a deep cut.